Good morning, students. Today we will continue our 8th chapter and topic is functions of skeletal system, classification of bones and types of joints. So, today we will discuss joints of bone. When two or more bones of the skeleton come in a union, then it is called a joint. जब एक और एक से अधिक दो बोन्स जुड़ती हैं, एक यूनियन बनाती है, तो इसको क्या बोला जाता है? जॉइंट बोला जाता है। द स्टडी ऑफ जॉइंट इज कॉल्ड आर्थोलॉजी। जॉइंट्स की स्टडी को आर्थोलॉजी बोलते हैं। टाइप्स ऑफ जॉइंट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द अमाउंट ऑफ मूवमेंट एंड देयर structural composition, joints can be classified in 3 categories. Joints को हम कितने इसमें डिवाइड करेंगे? 3 categories में. First is, second is slightly movable. Third is freely movable joints. Immovable joints होते हैं जो मूव नहीं कर सकते. Slightly movable हल्का सा वो मूवमेंट कर सकते हैं. एंड फ्रीली मूवेबल जॉइंट्स कौन से? जो पूरा तरीके से जॉइंट्स में मूवमेंट हो सकता है. नाउ इमूवेबल जॉइंट्स, दीज आर आल्सो नोन एज fibrous joints because the bones are connected by fibrous tissues. Bones किससे कनेक्ट होती है इनमें? फाइबर टिश्यू से. These joints are fixed and do not move. क्योंकि जॉइंट्स फिक्स होते हैं, दे कांट मूव, सो वी आर कॉलिंग दैम इमूवेबल जॉइंट्स. दीज आर फाउंड इन द बोन्स ऑफ और फेस पे. ये होती है अपने स्कल और फेस पे होती है. सेकेंड, स्लाइटली मूवेबल जॉइंट्स. इन दिस टाइप ऑफ जॉइंट्स, surface of bones are separated by some substance and they can make only slight movement. ये हल्का सा मूव करते हैं. There are 2 varieties, symphysis and synchrotrosis. First is symphysis. When 2 long bones surface are connected, जब किसी दो लंबी हड्डियों का सरफेस कनेक्ट होता है in a journey joined by a broad flat disc of fibrocartilage, it is known as symphysis pubis and intervertebral joints. Second is synchrodosis. It is a temporary form of joint before adulthood. The cartilage is changed to bone. These joints are found between the diaphysis and epiphysis of the long bones. Third is freely movable joints. These joints also called synovial joints. A human body have most of the joints of these types. The adjustment adjacent of the bones are covered with the cartilage, known as hyaline cartilage. They are surrounded by a fibrous articular capsules, which is strengthened by ligaments. Classification in 6 categories. इनको हम 6 categories में डिफाइन करते हैं. फर्स्ट आता है ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट्स, सेकेंड हिंज जॉइंट्स, थर्ड इज chondrolite joints, which permit only gliding movement, जो सिर्फ ग्लाइडिंग मूवमेंट्स को परमिट करते हैं, लाइक कार्पल बोन्स ऑफ द रिस्ट एंड बिटवीन टार्सल बोन ऑफ एंकल. These are examples of gliding joints. Second is which permit angular movement in one direction are called hinge joints. Example is humerus and ulna in the knee and ankle joints. Next is which permit angular movement in two directions are called condylite joints. Example is wrist joint. Movement of the joints include flexion, extension, adduction, abduction and circumduction, but no rotation. ये rotation नहीं कर सकते. Next आता है pivot joints. Joint with the rotary movements on one axis are called pivot joints. Example is atlas and axis bones at the top of the neck. These are the example of pivot joints. Saddle joints, which permit a great movement, are called saddle joints. Example is joints of thumb. It enables the thumb to oppose the fingers. Next आता है ball and socket joints. The joints having an angular movement as well as pivot movement are called ball and socket joints. In such joints, a rounded head line in cup-like cavity. Example is shoulder joint and hip joint.